Hi guys! So in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine drawer. So if you want to know how we went from this to this, then keep watching. Before you get started with any cleaning, I would just say switch it off and make sure there's nothing inside. So I'm just going to open up the drawer and show you what it looks inside. As we can see, there is a lot of product build up inside, and in some cases some people complain that it smells inside. In this case it's not smelling, but we can clearly see that there's a lot of build up in here. So the easy way to clean this is, first of all, you need to take it out of the machine, and if you notice here, you could see that there's looks like a finger here. So all you need to do is press on that and it will release the catch, and then you'll be able to remove it. So this is what the drawer looks like inside after I've removed it. You can see all where the product buildup is. So I'm going to show you how to clean this. And this is what the actual machine looks like after I've removed the drawer. You can see all the washing powder. Those are the bits that remained that didn't get deposited down the chute. You can see it's all built up there. And it did not get down the chute. Bearing in mind, as we're cleaning this, some of the washing powder and residue might get into the washing machine. That's why I made sure to tell you that you should remove your clothes before you start doing this. If you don't remove your washing machine drawer regularly, you may not even know that this is what is building up inside behind your drawer, and it might get into your clothes. So it's good to do this regularly to avoid this. So I'm going to start just by removing the excess washing powder first of all, and then I will spray something on it and then go and wash the other part. As you are doing this, careful not to let this fall down the hole that you see here, because that could destroy your washing machine. So get a firm grip of it if you are using anything like this to clean yours. So I've just finished wiping down the outer piece with a wet paper towel, and we can see that's already looking much better. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to spray the inside. Because we're going to be spraying a chemical inside the machine, and you're going to be in close proximity with that, I suggest you wear protective goggles to protect your eyes just in case any of the particles get back onto you. And I will link this in the description box. All the products I used today will be linked in the description box in case you would like to get yours. This is the product I'll be using, Flash, which contains bleach. It's very powerful. So I'm just going to start by spraying the Flash into the washing machine. Making sure to cover all the areas. This does have a bleach inside it, so be careful. I'll just have to spray the roof of the washing machine off camera because I can't reach it and hold the camera at the same time. As you can see, I've sprayed a fair bit amount in there. So what we'll do now is leave that to get to work and work on washing the other part, the actual drawer. So let's go and do that.